My name is Chelsea and I started in 2018. The culture here is it's very welcoming, very inviting. They're very inclusive. The company does a lot for their employees as far as trying to, really show you that they appreciate you and what you're doing and how hard you're working for them. It's a great place to learn. Everyone is really accommodating with helping, and if you have any questions, there's always somebody you can ask, and everybody is really accessible to you. Before I had started here, I had 10 years of customer service. I most recently was working as a food and beverage manager for a restaurant and hotel. I was interested in running machines, learning how to do that. I obviously didn't have any manufacturing experience, so I wasn't 100% sure on what I was going to be doing. Coming in, just being on the assembly floor, you kind of see people running machines, and it seems more like you just put a part in and you push a button and you kind of go from there, and that's definitely not what it is, especially with running the new automated stuff that we're bringing in. It's a lot of moving pieces, it's very technical what you're doing. You have a lot of parts that you're putting in. You have to really be focused and know what you're doing, know how to kind of fix things, and all the moving pieces, you have to know how they work and what they do and why they do it. It's a lot different than what I expected. Honestly, the best characteristic to have here is just to be a motivated person. You definitely want to really throw yourself in. The more you are open to learning, the more you're going to be able to grow in your department and with the company. Staying focused and really being willing to put in the work and learn the things is important. I definitely want to grow with the company, whether it's within my department or not. I definitely want to see myself in a leadership role. I've had a lot of opportunities coming from not having any manufacturing experience to grow. I've already, in a short amount of time, learned several machines in my department and have taken over some responsibilities, so definitely on the path.